Rebuilding a set of 1200 non-PV Mikuni carbs today. Um, I was just showing you, a lot of people, will send them top-end kits and engines and stuff. And they'll be like thinking in their mind, man, my carburetors look great. There's no way there's anything wrong with them. I mean, look at these things. They're beautiful, right? We've got them stripped off of the base plate, so... Anyways, we're just going to show you the inside of these beautiful carburetors and see what you think. So this is the fuel pump side. Just loosened up the screws. And let's take a look in here. So you can see that dimple, right? Those two dimples on that thing right there. On that diaphragm. There's three of them actually on just that one side. That means this cylinder is starving for fuel. Now let's look at the back side here. Look at all the crud in there. I mean, it's hard to like really see it, but there's some serious crud in there. And then this side right here. Now that one diaphragm there is in good condition, but that one is smoked. So this carburetor definitely needs rebuilt. Going to use this brush and just a small screwdriver to clean in here. Scrub. This won't get down in the grooves. That's what the screwdriver is for. I'm going to blow it off with some brake cleaner. I like to do that over the garbage so I don't have to smell it. Opening up the other side. So I like to use one of these tools with a nice Phillips bit on it. If it doesn't come out real easy, you got to put a lot of downward pressure. It's a little impact, 1/4 inch impact Mikuni, or Makita, I'm sorry. And mostly it'll loosen them up. If they don't come out real easy, then we'll go straight to a DeWalt bit, and we'll grab it with a pair of vice grips, and then hit the bit with a steel hammer or a brass hammer, and drive the bit and turn at the same time. Showing you how messy that is in there. This looks pretty decent inside of here. We're not going to change the jets. We're just going to blow the jets out. The little tiny one, usually I'll get me a little wire, stick through there and make sure that one's open all the way. Again, back to the brush. And the screwdriver.